Welcome to our quick mindset nugget for creators. Today we're exploring the heart of creativity, resilience. Let's dive into the mindset that keeps successful creators going, no matter the challenges. Resilience. It's the invisible force behind every creator who stands back after a setback. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it, adapting, and continuing to create. In the creative world, resilience is key. It's the difference between giving up and finding a new, perhaps even better way to express your vision. It's about embracing the unexpected twists in your creative journey. Every successful creator has a story of resilience. They've faced rejection, criticism, countless obstacles, yet they kept creating, learning, and evolving. Their resilience transformed obstacles into stepping stones for success. So how do you build this resilient mindset? Start by reframing your view of failure. See it as a teacher, not a setback. Cultivate patience and persistence. Remember, great creations often come from the ashes of failed attempts. Here are some quick tips. Set small, achievable goals to maintain momentum. Surround yourself with a supportive community. And most importantly, take time to reflect and recharge. Your well-being is crucial to this journey. Remember, every creator's path is unique, filled with all its challenges and triumphs. Embrace your journey with a resilient mindset and watch how your creativity flourishes. If you're looking for more inspiration and tips on thriving in your creative endeavors, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of resilient creators. Thank you for joining me on this quick mindset boost. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep resilient. See you in the next episode.